Sun Tzu, use every man. I use every chicken part. Treason is wasting thighs. My armory, chili oil, sesame paste. Ketchup, that's a weapon of mass deliciousness, denial, Baskin. Ginger, garlic, soy, oh, halberd to the chicken's flesh. Drop the troops into simmering broth. Scallions march in, lid slams, siege begins. Chili oil, fire lances on cold chicken. Genius or desperate. Mini dumpling, helmet on. General Tso salutes. Discipline, even in sauce. Cavalry on stone. Crunch, then conquer. Eat! General Tso commands. Sharpen your appetite, soldier!